Welcome to belly dance class. I'm Jen Suya, this is Bob, and in this beginner belly dance class, we're going to focus on hip figure of eights for beginners. So to get warmed up, let's just stand in basic belly dance posture with our feet a couple of inches apart, our knees bent, hips tucked forward, abs in and up, chest lifted, and we're just going to bend one knee a little more than the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just getting warmed up and getting ready to do our first hip figure of eight. So you see both of my knees stay bent even though one goes more than the other. They never go back to straight. Isolating the move to the lower half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. From the back. Now if you just want to really focus on your hips, you can keep your arms down here or you can bring them up here. Just getting warmed up with our hips. Now let's get them warmed up in a different motion. We're going to slide them with the music. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I call this a hip slide. And you may already be familiar with this move from one of our other tutorials, the easiest move. Again, both knees are bent and we're sliding our hips parallel to the floor. So these two motions are going to make up our first hip figure of eight after we get warmed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hear the music. Feel the beat, the pulse of the music. Bob's playing rhythm melody. We're just grooving, getting warmed up with a nice hip slide. Okay, so our first hip figure of eight is going to go like this. It's going to go drop, slide, lift, and over. Drop, slide, lift, slide back. Drop it down, slide it over, lift it up, bring it back, down, slide, up, slide, down, slide, up, and slide. Let's try it with the other side. Down, slide, up, and slide. Down, slide, up, and slide. Down, slide, up, getting warmed up. Down, slide, up, and slide. Now you're like, Jen, see, that didn't look like a figure eight. Those are the basic kind of breaking it down into the planes of motion. Now what we're going to do is smooth it out, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take it down, side, up, in the middle, down, side, up, in the middle. How is that? It's hard to go slowly, right? But it gives it that beautiful sinewy move of belly dance. Let's do this side. Down, out, up, and in. Drop, slide, lift, and slide. Drop, slide, lift, and slide. Drop, slide, lift, and slide. Wow. Notice both feet were still flat on the floor. It was all in, not in the feet so much, but in the knees and the hips. So shall we do that, but double the speed? So we're going to kind of run those moves together, starting with this hip in 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. More challenging, really down and out. Down. That kind of sounds funny. We're not really down and out, but that's the motion. Oops. Listen to the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. How is that? Whew. You think we can reverse it? We sure can. Let's just try that. This time we're going to lift, slide it out, down, and bring it in like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring it up, slide it out, down, and in. Up, slide it out, down, and in. Up, slide it out, down, and in. This side. Up, out, down, and in. Up, out, down. Now you listen. Good. Up, out, down, and in. Let's do it in 2 beats again, smoothing it out. This hip first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over, over. Figure of 8. Over, over. Now that's feeling really belly dancey, right? 3, 4. Feet flat. Knees bent, trying to keep the rib cage still. 3, let's do a challenge. Let's do this in single beats. Just do that motion in 1 beat each side. I know that's not totally beginner. Jensuya, you said it was beginner, but let's just try it and see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, side, side, side. Figure 8. Want to do another challenge? Okay, we'll just do a level change with it. Down, 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 and up, 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 up. Down, 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 up, up, up. Oh my gosh, 2 more. Listen. Very nice. Oh my goodness. And see, I just automatically went to this because I needed a rest from that. How about you? Afterwards, you've got to drop a comment. Let me know, how did you do with this? What's the hardest part for you? Okay, those were some vertical figure of 8s. Let's do horizontal. So let's just warm up again like this. Twists. Where are our knees? That's right, bent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just twisting, 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 and twisting. Twist, 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 and twist, and twisting, twisting. How about Bob? Isn't he amazing on that drum? I know, he's just great. La, 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 la. You can drop a comment. Do you like the drumming? This is the traditional way of learning belly dance with a live drummer in the class, right here with you, in your living room, or wherever it is that you're practicing. Okay, so horizontal hip figure of 8. It looks like this, and this, and this. And if we jazz it up, we could do it like this, right? Or slow. Jensuya, that's really hard. Okay, so the motion is twist it forward, slide, twist it back, slide, twist it forward, slide, twist it back, slide. Focusing on this hip, forward, slide, back, slide, and forward. Wow, back, and slide. This hip, same thing. Just getting them warmed up. Here we go. And twist, slide, and twist, and slide. Twist it forward, slide, twist it back, slide, twist it forward, slide, twist it back, and slide. This time I'm going to just be quiet because I'm getting tired of talking. Now you know what we're going to do, right? We're going to smooth that out nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this side, hearing the beat. And the other side, super slow. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, faster. See how it makes it look different when it's faster versus slower? When it's slow, we can take a lot of time and we can really push into it, bend our knees more, get more range of motion, pushing into it. Take it slow. Hard and faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Small, small. Big 1. Small, small, small. This one. Big 1. Small, small, small. Big 1. Small, small, small. Now we're looking belly dancey, right? 1, 2, 3, and big 1. 1, 2, 3. Whew. What did you think of that? That is the magic of belly dance where, you can keep going, Bob. Go. I'm just going to chatter and tell them about it. It's hard to do it, talk and dance, because the art of belly dance is listening to the music and responding. So Bob was playing that beautiful Chiftitelli rhythm, and I was trying to match that. The first part of it sounded very slow, and then it went faster, making those accents. So, but it starts with learning these motions first. Okay, so that was our horizontal hip shimmy from the front to the back. You know what we can do with it, right? That's right, from the back to the front. So this hip, let's twist it back, slide it, twist it front, slide it, twist it back, slide it, twist it front, slide it, back, slide, front, and slide, back, getting warmed up, slide, front, and slide. You see, Jen, see, I'm already warmed up. Oh my gosh. Woo! Okay, this hip, back, slide, front, and slide, back, slide, front, slide, back, slide, front, slide, back, slide, front, and slide. You know what we're going to do now, right? We're going to scoop it around from the back, blending those motions together. And you see that slide, even though it was on a diagonal, same as that easiest move in belly dance, the hip slide, which is, none of them are really easy. Okay, from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-beat rhythm. Chiftitelli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. 1. Let's see if he does that again. Okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just wanted to show you. That's really the magic. Let's show you. He'll do it again, and then I'll just throw in another move. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist and twist and twist. Hip, figure of 8, and twist and twist and twist. Hip, figure of 8, and twist and twist and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist and twist and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist and twist and twist. Are you feeling the magic? Twist and twist and twist. Do you see how once you understand the rhythm, now we haven't learned that, it's Chiftitelli, but you're starting to get the groove of it. Like the first half of the rhythm is very flowy, and the second half, the drummer, Bob, can decorate it with accents or throw in something a little different. And when you listen, when you're very focused on it, then you can throw in some accents of yourself, and they don't have to be these incredible moves. The key things are posture, smile, have fun with it, and learning the timing. That's why in so many of our tutorials and workouts, it's always about the timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Now singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, exact same move, but has a totally different sound. Look, when we do 1. Figure of 8's up. Figure of 8's down. Wow. Horizontal. Right? From the back. brains. And my friends, are you getting tired? You probably want to keep going. It's so much fun, right? So you see how belly dance is putting the music on your body. The key things are nice posture, having fun, and really to get good, it's really taking a lot of time to study the beat, the rhythm, matching the moves and the timing of the moves. So again, we have a lot of tutorials on those, short ones, long ones. And when you want to really build that dance so that you can do it yourself, check out our Introduction to Belly Dance course, because we together go into more detail on this and timing and how to segue from one move into another. So it's been awesome with you, and we will see you on the next class.